Hello and welcome to Realty Solutions, your go-to channel for all things real estate. Today we're setting sail on an exciting journey, one that many of you might find familiar or are contemplating soon: buying your first home. It's a thrilling expedition filled with anticipation and dreams, yet it can also be a bit daunting. But worry not, because we're here to guide you every step of the way towards unlocking the doors of your dream home. Before we plunge into this adventure, a quick reminder: hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you won't miss out on any of our real estate insights and tips. Now, with that taken care of, it's time to strap in, gather your questions and uncertainties, and get ready to transform them into knowledge and confidence. Alright, let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about mortgage options. Buying a home is a significant financial commitment, and the type of mortgage you choose can impact your financial health for years to come. So, let's break down the options and figure out which one is the best fit for you. You've probably heard of fixed rate and adjustable rate mortgages, but what do they actually mean? A fixed rate mortgage is exactly what it sounds like. The interest rate is set at the time of closing and does not change over the life of the loan. This provides stability and predictability, but it might mean a higher interest rate than other options. On the other hand, an adjustable rate mortgage, or ARM, has an interest rate that can change over time. This means your monthly payments could increase or decrease. ARMs can be a good choice if you plan to sell or refinance your home before the rate changes, but they come with more uncertainty than fixed-rate mortgages. Then there's the question of term length. Mortgages typically come in 15 or 30-year terms. A 15-year term means you'll pay off your mortgage faster and pay less interest over time, but your monthly payments will be higher. A 30-year term means lower monthly payments, but you'll pay more interest over the life of the loan. There are also government-insured loans like FHA, Virginia, and USDA loans, which come with their own sets of benefits and requirements. These can be a great option if you qualify, especially for first-time home buyers who might not have a large down payment saved up. But remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to mortgages. It's all about finding the best fit for your financial situation and long-term goals. Take the time to weigh the pros and cons, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Buying a home is a big decision, and it's important to understand all your options before making a choice. It's essential to find the option that best fits your financial situation and long-term goals. Next, negotiating tactics. Buying a home is much more than just finding a property you love and making an offer. It's about strategic negotiation and making sure you secure the best deal possible. It's a delicate dance between buyer and seller, each trying to get the best outcome for themselves. Let's start with understanding the market. It's crucial to know whether you're operating in a buyer's or a seller's market. In a buyer's market, you have a bit more leverage and can negotiate more aggressively. On the flip side, in a seller's market, where demand outstrips supply, you might need to tread a bit more carefully. Next, let's discuss the importance of being pre-approved for a mortgage. This not only shows sellers that you're serious about buying, but it also gives you a clear idea of what you can afford. This can be a powerful tool in your negotiation arsenal. Then there's the power of knowing when to walk away. It's easy to get emotionally attached to a property, but remember, there's always another house out there. If the negotiation isn't going in your favor, don't be afraid to walk away. It might just bring the seller back to the table with a better offer. Another important tactic is leveraging the inspection report. An inspection can reveal potential issues with the property that can be used as a bargaining chip. If the inspection uncovers significant problems, you can negotiate for a lower price or ask the seller to make the necessary repairs before closing the deal. Lastly, remember that negotiation isn't just about price. It can also involve other aspects of the deal, like closing date, contingencies, and even items to be included in the sale, like appliances or furniture. From knowing when to walk away to leveraging inspection reports, we'll share insider tips to help you secure the best deal possible. Remember, in the world of real estate, knowledge is power, and the more prepared you are, the better your chances of unlocking the door to your dream home. Now, on to property inspections. This is one of the most crucial steps in the home buying process. It's easy to get swept up in the excitement of finding your dream home, but it's absolutely vital not to overlook the importance of a thorough inspection. You wouldn't buy a car without checking under the hood, right? The same principle applies when buying a house. A comprehensive property inspection can uncover potential issues that might not be immediately apparent. These could range from minor repairs to major structural problems. By identifying these issues early, you can negotiate for repairs or a lower price. In some cases, you may decide to walk away from the deal altogether. Now you may be wondering, what exactly should I be looking out for during a property inspection? Well, the answer is quite a bit. Let's start with the basics. Check for visible signs of damage or wear and tear. This could include things like cracked walls, water stains, or loose tiles. Next, let's move on to the more concealed areas. You'll want to ensure the plumbing and electrical systems are in good working order. Remember, issues with these systems can lead to costly repairs down the line. Don't forget about the property's exterior. Look for signs of roof damage or poor drainage. These could lead to serious issues like leaks or flooding. Another key area to pay attention to is the property's foundation. Cracks or unevenness could indicate structural issues. Lastly, don't forget about the heating and cooling systems. Make sure they're functioning properly, as replacing them can be quite expensive. Remember, a property inspection isn't just about identifying potential problems. It's also an opportunity to familiarize yourself with the property. You'll learn where the water shutoff valve is, how the thermostat works, and other useful information. In conclusion, a thorough property inspection is a must for any home buyer. It gives you a clear understanding of the property's condition and helps you make an informed decision. From structural issues to hidden repairs, we'll highlight key areas to pay attention to during the inspection process. And there you have it, folks. We've just taken a deep dive into the world of first-time home buying. We've explored the pivotal choices of mortgage options, learned some savvy negotiating tactics, and understood the crucial importance of property inspections. It's a thrilling journey filled with potential and promise. Yet it's also a journey that requires careful planning, astute decisions, and a good dose of patience. Remember, knowledge is power. Equip yourself with the right information, and the path to your dream home becomes a lot clearer. It's not just about securing a place to live, it's about investing in your future. So whether you're about to take the first step on your home buying journey, or just contemplating the idea, keep these tips and tricks in mind. They could make all the difference in unlocking your dream home. Thanks for tuning in to Realty Solutions. Be sure to subscribe for more real estate related content. And until next time, happy house hunting.